What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it looks like today we have a little bit of bullishness in the markets just before Good Friday. So at this point in time, I do want to point out the next four crypto. These four crypto seem to be standing out to me chart wise and TA wise because they look absolutely amazing. So I'm going to keep a very close eye on them for the next month, and maybe you might want to also. These are my top picks. My top four crypto I'm keeping an eye on for the next month. And that is leading into the month of May. So starting off, we have Near Protocol. We have had a distinct downtrend that we not only broke out of, but after the breakout, we have triple bullish divergence. And now it looks like we have the first sign of a higher low, as well as maintaining a level of support at $1.88. If this actually continues, we might see Near Protocol in the extreme short term. We might see this thing rally up. I'm believing it is about a 22% run, and this is just in the short time frame. We could see this thing go up from the $2.04 that it's currently at all the way up to $2.50, looking at 22.84% run to the upside. That's just in your near term, but in your longer term, we are looking for a golden retrace, which could lead this particular asset to go up another 185%, getting you back up to $5.84. At that point, you are just a stone's throw away from overhead resistance, sitting at $6.79, so you could even get a little bit push higher and get a 233% run to the upside. This is all provided that the market continues to be bullish. Anyways, let's move on. The next one that I'm looking at is Filecoin, FIL. So Filecoin, and noted, this is where you're going to see a very distinct theme here. But looking at it from the daily, you can see Filecoin was in a very distinct downtrend. We have broken out of that downtrend. If we get rid of this real quick, you can see it more clearly. You have bullish divergence starting from February 3rd. You have triple bullish divergence, and now it looks like we're starting to put in our first higher low. So this is giving Filecoin an opportunity for that golden retrace. With the golden retrace, we could see this rally right back up to $5.99. This could lead Filecoin to do a 150% move to the upside. In your short-term, near-term time frame, maybe within the next week or two, we could see Filecoin go up about 20% based off this small movement right here. We could see a rally straight up to $2.89. More than likely, you're going to hit overhead resistance sitting at $2.94. This could be a 22% rally coming very soon. So this is something I do believe should be on the radar. Another one, it is having a monstrous day. This one is Render. Render is doing everything I could ask for that is right with the world. We had a long-term downtrend. We hit a low. We confirmed our low with what looks to be a double bottom, and now we are working on getting a higher high. This is extremely bullish for Render. Render seems to have been forgotten in the wayside, but now I guess maybe as ChatGPT got this update, people are remembering AI is a viable space to start getting into with the crypto space. But we could see another 105% move to the upside, getting you to that golden retrace at $8.33. Checking out your short-term time frame, it is kind of on a tear today, up 11%. However, I don't believe this move is over. Currently, we are working off of an uptrend right here, so as long as we can maintain this uptrend in the shorter term, looks like Render could continue rallying all weekend, and this thing could go up a possible 24% upside, getting you up to $5.04. Last but not least, looking like FET is ready to get onto the move. Checking out your daily time frame, we have broken out of the long-term downtrend. We are still in a bit of a longer-term downtrend. It looks like it's gearing up to go up and test that long-term supply line, which is very nice to see. But as I've mentioned in these other charts, we have a distinct long downtrend. We have bullish divergence on the daily utilizing your relative strength index, and then on top of that, now it looks like we're putting in that first higher low and maintaining a level of support. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Checking out your 4-hour time frame, let's see what kind of uptrend we're working with. So all you have to do is check this right here, and lo and behold, we are maintaining an uptrend. Your next leg up, what we could possibly see, provided this market continues to be bullish, we might see FET, Fetch AI, rally up 33%, getting you back to 66 cents. These are the four crypto that I am paying attention to, especially for the next month. It seems like we are now starting to get some interest back into the AI space when it comes to these cryptocurrencies. Oh, I did forget to mention for FET, we could find ourselves getting that golden retrace, 199% upside move, getting you back to $1.49. But it seems like we are getting a little bit of interest coming back into the AI space and AI adjacent space. So naturally, it is time for me to start flipping bullish on these particular assets. We could be flipping bullish on a lot more things in the crypto space, provided the bullishness continues. But if it doesn't, if I find any hidden bearish divergence, I will be the first one to let you all know. And in this channel, we are not afraid to short the market. But right now, it looks like the advantage is to the upside after these coins have been beaten down for months on end. Let's get a little love. Let's see if these things can rally back up. If you do enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, we go live every single day where you can request whatever tokens that you want, as well as stocks. We go over TA all over the place. And definitely think you guys should join in. Also, we have a free Discord where I post trade setups every single day, and this is kind of what it looks like. I posted these trade setups today for my free Discord, so you guys can find the link down in the description below. Also, if you're new to trading and you need an exchange to trade on, we are currently partnered up with both Weeks and Buy DeFi. The links are in the description down below. They have great sign-on bonuses. Take advantage of those while you can. Free crypto is essentially free money. You can take full advantage while opening up new accounts. Anyways, outside of that, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I hope you're ready for an even more amazing weekend. I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Maybe I'll see you in a live stream.